Welcome to Lesson 8. You're going to need to click on the Lesson 8 files to download all these files. Right-click, Save Link As, and then save it in your home directory. If you need to make a new folder, do so. Lesson 8. Save it as a fruit file and save. Then open up SignLab, and to double check our layout, we're going to go to blank size. The width should be 3.5, the height should be 1, and those can only be edited when this selection is at custom. Then hit OK. Then we're going to go File, Import. We're going to import the fruit file. Click on that, and you're going to edit that to 3.5 and 1.5. So since we're going to be doing some editing on here and aligning this to the middle, this one snaps because it's the same size, but we're going to put some rulers in. So if you go up to the sign blank or outside the sign blank and right click when the picture isn't selected, the edit guide should come up. So if this is a horizontal line and it wants to know the location. So if ours is 1.5, we're going to go half that and go 0.75. And then for our other one, we're going to make a vertical line at 1.75, and that should be our middle. Next, what we're going to do is add some text. We're going to go down here to P13 and make sure it's white text. Then for the font type, you're going to go Arial, Bold, Italic, and edit the font height to 0.2. Then you're going to type fruit, hit enter, hit space 3 times. Excuse me, you're going to type in drink. Enter, hit space 3 times. Fruit. Here you're going to make sure there's 7 spaces. So I'm at 4, 5, 6, 7. Drink fruit juice. And then I'm going to click on my selection tool. Now I want to place this right in the middle. When I intersect that line, it's going to highlight, and same with that, so I want them both highlighted. And then I'm going to let go. There we have that centered. The next thing I'm going to do is double click on the image. You'll notice that these tools appear. I'm going to select the oval one with my cursor just above everything, so right about there. I'm going to click and drag down to the lower right corner. Should snap in there. And I'm going to hit crop. And that's my logo. I'm going to hit close. So that's pretty much the logo that we're going to work on. So what you did now is just edit a bitmap, add text, and you edited the bitmap to a shape. So you're going to save this and make sure the guides are right, everything meets the requirements and looks a lot like mine, should look exactly like mine. And then you're going to start working on the next one. So when you do something that you want to create, you're going to take all the things that you learn and make something on a 4x4 sign blank. So change that now. Looking back at the Moodle website, if you click on the resources tab that I have right here, you have websites that provide vectors for you. So click on resources. These websites will come up. You can click on anything you want here. PlayStation logo, you can find soccer stuff, Ford, whatever's appropriate. Download it. Don't click on the blue download button, but go down here to the orange one. Click download. Should download it right over here. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, but it's going to download here. Then I'm going to go click on this tab and go show in folder. It'll bring me to that. I'm going to right click and go to extract all, extract all. It's going to open this for me. It's going to tell me in my path that's under my directory, downloads PlayStation 4. I'm going to go back to here and file, import PlayStation Vector. I'm going to find that same path, import it. Use PDF import filter recommended. Yeah, this one. Click OK. I'm going to select the lower part and hit delete. So it's just everything I want. And then I'm going to center this up and size it how I want. There we go. That looks good. Next thing I'm going to do is find a texture or image, picture, sun horizon, anything you like for a background photo. Copy image or save it and import it. If you copy, you have to hit Control V. It's not going to let you just right click and paste. It's going to bring those. So now that's covering my text. I don't want that. I'm going to go arrange, order, send to back. So if you notice now my PlayStation logo is up. So double clicking on the bitmap, this image here, it's going to bring up my editing tools. I'm going to select the magic wand here. And then I'm going to click on the PlayStation logo. So it only selected one thing. If I hold shift, I can select multiple. And there we go. Then I'm going to hit crop and cut. And there I have a PlayStation logo with the camo, the aqua camo. If I don't like that, I can change the camo in the background, but whatever's directly behind that image is going to show up. So now I could use this as my my sticker to print here. This is a good graphic. You can do your name, you can do all sorts of different backgrounds. So be creative, show me what you can make, and then Dropbox this and we will print them in class.